poop in my pants.
Shut up.
Don't bounce on your bed, it'll lopside.
It's alright. It still takes it.
Gives a crap. Better not take forever like it did that one time.
It froze that one time.
Poop in my pants.
Quit it.
Making sure it didn't freeze. There's someone in the house.
There's 2 other people in the house.
Did you hear that?
That was the chair. Ew.
Seconds. Thirds. Fourths.
Nasty. I think it froze again.
I'm kidding. I've only got to round 4.
Where are you going, Pete? I'm gonna go downstairs.
Just